strictly to implement and enforce the law, no, to confiscate and also tikitan sila, i-TOP nato na sila, and we have to remove all those wangwang. Kinsa may authorize ang authorized ang atong mga marked vehicle sa Philippine National Police. We have also marked vehicle from the Armed Forces of the Philippines and other law enforcement unit, no? Sama sa atong mga NBI, atong Philippine Coast Guard, and all the rest katong mga ambulance. Mausad ni akong hangyo dahil sa mga ambulance driver, no? Maybe unordinary people have observed this. Sometimes they tungod kay traffic lagi, iwangwang nila bisan they don't have a passenger, a patient. No, so let's avoid that. Let's be more sensitive and more disciplined. So, mao to ma'am, other than that, bawal yun na siya.
So, klaruhon na to, sir.
Mga na mag-blinker, magwangwang, na especially mga private vehicles.
So, sakyanan ni Mayor, dili pwede ang wangwang?
If private vehicle na siya, that should be, no? Ang private vehicle. Yung mga sakyanan manggod nato na under the law, katong marked vehicle.